The governor needs to hire a new chair for Missouri's Veteran Agency in 2021. But before you throw in your hat in the ring, you should know it doesn't pay, it has limited power, and the last guy just quit. Here's KQ2's Matt McLean with why the last chair says he walked.
Missouri's Veteran Agency is in need of a new chairman.
I would have ridden this thing for as long and hard as it took, but there's just when a fundamental value gets crossed, it's a straightforward decision, and one of my fundamental values was crossed. So I wish the team, the governor, everybody the best.
Like that, Commission Chairman Tim Noonan of Missouri's Veteran Commission is out. The latest blow after 9 months of a bungled COVID-19 response that led to the death of about 160 veterans living in state-run nursing homes. Noonan says the line was crossed when the governor said this Wednesday.
The veterans will be a priority. I'm not going to worry about everybody's personal lives that sit on a commission or chairman. I'm just going to absolutely worry about the veterans, and that's my whole focus.
At the heart of this, a report detailing failures from top to bottom of the Veteran Agency and state officials to plan, see, and respond to the coronavirus outbreak that tore through the 7 state-run homes. Noonan had denied a St. Louis Post-Dispatch's request for the full 415-page document. The summary of it was already public.
I did not believe that having that information publicly available did anything to drive a different outcome relative to what we were trying to do in the commission.
A state lawmaker called on Noonan to release it and urged the Attorney General to order Noonan to do it too. AG Eric Schmidt agreed and sent an order to Noonan on December 30th. What irked Noonan most was that he had asked Schmidt's office and the governor's office about all of this a month ago.
Couldn't get an answer from the governor's office. I'd asked the question written form on the 23rd of November, and it took a spectacle to get an answer.
The contract with the investigative agency, he says, was written to keep the 415-page document out of the public eye because it names state employees big and small.
In addition, it is also prudent not to create a roadmap for a frivolous plaintiff's lawsuit.
For example, 2 months ago, investigators found some staff at Cameron Veterans Home not following PPE protocols.
What is the impact of releasing the names of frontline caregivers and workers when they've been working 80, 90, 100 hours a week? What's the purpose of that? How does that help solve the problem?
Failures listed in the report can be traced all the way up to top state officials. The Fusion Cell, the governor's handpicked team for dealing with the health crisis, was told about the deaths and positive cases in September, something Noonan noted in his resignation letter.
It's not factually correct that the Fusion Cell did not have the same data that the Veterans Commission had.
He says he had hoped up and down the chain of command everyone would have taken responsibility for the lives lost. But Wednesday it became clear that wasn't going to happen.
I was completely prepared to drive it forward, but I simply can't when one of my fundamental values gets crossed, which is I'm working for a guy who's not worried about the personal life of me or my commissioners.
Reporting, Madeline McLean, KQ2 News.
The entire 415-page report can be found up on our website at kq2.com.